I'm hoping that this video will solve a mystery and answer a question that we get asked very, very often. And that question is, how do I export subtitles from Spot and then import them into Adobe Premiere Pro and retain the formatting? The answer is to export from Spot as an EBU STL file. So here's Spot, here's a file. This file has got some formatting. The first subtitle is raised to the middle. The second subtitle is raised to the top. Subtitle 3 is in italics and subtitle 4 is right aligned. So I'm going to save this as an STL file. The only option that you need to set is force 23 rows, I believe. I haven't really tested it much, but select that option, click OK, save the file, and that's the first part done. So let's open Adobe Premiere Pro and let's import our STL file. It's Belenga, it's there, open. And then let's drag that onto the timeline and let's see if those subtitles have worked or not. There's the first subtitle. As you can see, it's in the middle of the screen. Subtitle 2, that's been raised to the top as it was in Spot. Subtitle 3, that is in italics. And subtitle 4, that is right aligned. So the solution to this question that's been bugging me and everyone for like years is export as EBU STL and all your formatting will be retained.